Are Filipinas conservative or wild behind closed doors? Do you believe there's a difference between how Filipinas act in public versus in private?
But for me, wild, I guess.
Do you think being wild or open minded in a relationship challenges traditional Filipino views? How about you, ma'am? Are you wild or conservative? What's your name and age?
Hi, I am Celine and I am 18 years old.
You're so pretty, Celine. You're welcome. Thank you. Okay, so Celine, here's the question. Are Filipinas conservative or wild behind closed doors?
I think Filipinas are behind closed doors. I think they are very conservative because of the tradition as well of the culture that we grew up. It mostly depends um on the environment that they grew up in. It depends on what they know about being closed doors as well. I do think that some Filipinas are very conservative because of the tradition in being a Filipino. And I think there are some wild Filipinas, but I think they shouldn't be discriminated if if they are conservative or wild behind closed doors because it depends on the person.
Do you believe there's a difference between how Filipinas act in public versus in private?
Yes, I think there's a big difference. When Filipinas act in public, they are more conservative or um, they are more quiet or uh, reserved and elegant. When they are in private, they're rather comfortable and they might show who they really are because they are much comfortable and they feel like they don't have to entertain the people around them as well or as well they are in a much more comfort zone.
I like that comfort zone. Okay. Do you think being wild or open minded in a relationship challenges traditional Filipino views?
Yes, I do think it challenges the traditional way because they're like learning something new and exploring new things and it might challenge them differently because they are it might be new for them and as well they might not do it because of their own perspective.
How do you feel about couples who openly discuss their intimate needs with each other?
It depends on on the couple's age. When they are mature and have the right age, I think they can educate other people about the intimate they do that will help other couples to do or to have intimate acts in a responsible way because some couples um some couples have intimate acts where like they are very open about it but sometimes they do it in a irresponsible way which is it will be much better if they are in a mature age and they are responsible about what they're doing.
You're 18 years old. Do you have like a boyfriend or you're single? What?
I am single po.
How long have you been single?
I, I don't know pa. I'm not counting po, pero I am single.
So hi guys. We interviewed her a year ago, but I forgot. My husband forgot. We forgot her. So, we're getting old. Anyway, for our new members, new subscribers, new viewers, what's your name and age?
MJ, and I'm turning 21 this May.
Okay, MJ. We have to look for you later. I totally forgot. Okay, MJ, here's the question. Are Filipinas conservative or wild behind closed doors?
For my opinion, it is conservative since our culture was conservative in a way, like dating, and also I think in bed also. Even though I don't have any experience yet.
Okay. Do you believe there's a difference between how Filipinas act in public versus in private?
Yeah, I think there's a huge difference in public and in private. Since in public we are like main type of girls, and like we don't act as much as we used to be in indoors or in our house. Like we do some chores, and also we some like caring like that. No way. That's all.
How about in private?
That's in private, like yeah, that's caring in a way sa in house, and also sa in attitude, like you're some kind bongangeras or like loud, not like that.
So it's like we show what what we truly are in private than in public.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Do you think being wild or open-minded in a relationship challenges traditional Filipino views?
Yeah, yeah. It is really like kind of challenging, and in terms of um views and culture, right now we can see that our culture like it is invade some kind of culture on other countries like America, and right now I think it challenge dating areas, and also our way of thinking in a relationship. Yeah.
MJ, are you single or do you have a boyfriend or are you with someone?
I just like someone, but I'm single
How long have you been single, MJ?
since birth.
Since birth. Oh, 21 years old.
Yeah.
You're still in college, right?
Yes, yes.
May we know what's your course again?
Accountancy.
You must be good in math.
Kind of. More on analyzations like that.
What's your name and age, po?
Nika, 29.
That's like the cutest name, Nika. Okay, so Mom Nika, here's the question. Are Filipinas conservative or wild behind closed doors?
I think Filipinas are whoever they want to be behind closed doors. And usually, I think they whenever Filipinas feel comfortable, that's when they show their true selves. So whether it's but that usually means that that's when they feel when you're comfortable, you bear yourself. So when you're comfortable, then yeah, you can be as wild as you want, but at the same time you can also feel a lot more emotional. That's also parang considered conservative for other people. So whatever they want to be. But I think what they're comfortable with, that's who they are behind closed doors.
Do you think being wild or open minded in a relationship challenges traditional Filipino views?
Yes. I mean, it's that's not the case anymore because I think women are expected to be more open minded nowadays compared to before. But now it's not really that groundbreaking when a woman is open minded. It's just something like boomers are more what do you call this? They're not really open minded. Parang ganun.
How do you feel about couples who openly discuss their intimate needs with each other?
I think it leads to a better relationship ultimately because that means that communication, when you communicate your needs and then those needs are met, then basically you have a good working relationship.
Mom, I'm very impressed. Your English is really good. May we know, may we know what's your job?
I'm a government employee.
That explains why. Really good. 29 years old. What's your name and age?
My name is Ed, and I'm 19 years old.
Okay. And here's the question. Are Filipinas conservative or wild behind closed doors?
As a 19-year-old student, I don't as for me, I think yes, most of them. For me,
Most of them what? Conservative or wild?
I think for me it depends on the like relationship between others. But for me, wild, I guess.
Do you believe there's a difference between how Filipinas act in public versus in private?
Yes, of course. I think it's just not in the Philippines, but all around. Like couples do magka different from public and private.
Why?
Because I think it has something to do with the perception of others, like the opinions of others. Like here in the Philippines, we don't like we have probably something problem with the like yung PDA, ganyan. Um,
Public display of affection.
and yes.
How do you feel about couples who openly discuss their intimate needs with each other?
I think it's I think it's healthy when you talk about those kind of things, because it's it's very nang like you're being open to what you feel to your partner, and I think it's very healthy.
What's your name and age po?
Jasmine Bello, 38 years old.
38. You look so young for 38 years old, ma'am. You're welcome. Okay, so here's the question, ma'am. Are Filipinas conservative or wild behind closed doors?
Conservative.
How can you say that Filipinas are conservative? Paano mo nasabing mga conservative ang mga Filipina?
Ano po kasi yung may ano po depende po kaya sa mga tao ngunyan na pero po hindi rin may conservative po meron may na po sila may wild na po kahit po 13 years old pataas po talagang conservative ay bako na po silang conservative gabos na po na halos na ginagawa nung mga matatanda napapababa na po ng mga batang ngayon lahat po na ginagawa na rin nila wala na rin po silang iniisip na conservative po na ganto ganyan ginagawa na po nila gabos na na ginigibo na po nila gabos na parang
Okay, what mom says is it depends because nowadays there are like 13 years old who could, they're wild. Like they can do what older people does at a very young age. So that's what she's saying. So it really depends, but there are like young people like at the age of 13 years old that are considered like wild already. How about you, ma'am? Are you wild or conservative?
minsan wild, minsan conservative po. Depende nga po talaga sa po yan sa tao.
Okay. She said sometimes she's wild, sometimes she's conservative, and it really depends to the person.
Apo.
Do you have a partner? Do you have a husband?
Single na po.
Single. You're single. 38 years old. How long have you been single, ma'am? Kano ka nakatagal na single?
Now lang po, a day.
Oh, a day. Oh, so you just broke up with your partner. Do you have kids, ma'am?
Yeah,
How many kids?
4.
4 kids. Okay. Do you have like work?
Yeah.
May we know what's your job, ma'am?
Milk tea. Sa milk tea.
Oh, milk tea. You're making milk tea. You're making drinks.
Barista po.
Barista. Oh, okay. Ma'am, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time po. Salamat. Ma'am, thank you. No, don't worry. It's fine. Thank you po. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.